Hello, welcome to today's room tour of Park MGM. We're on the 10th floor, room 320. Pardon me while I get more comfortable. Hang up my coat here on this handy dandy rack. Super helpful. You've got a very small closet with small drawers, but if you're like us, we just kind of live out of our suitcase anyway, and they've got your suitcase rack here. They've got your ironing board. It's like a swank ironing board that matches the wall perfectly. Don't know how they did that, but they did. Got hangers, your ironing board, 2 cups, tiny little ice bucket. I like that. And your safe. Then this door. You see it has 2 handles, 1 on each side, because guess what? It's the sliding door to Narnia, aka your bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. It's very modern. You've got your booger mirror, but it's a nice, cool, modern one, and it pushes back. You've got the neat lighting features, which I like, and a nice modern sink. There's nothing really underneath for space, but they make up for that with this. It looks kind of IKEA to me, but it's nice. Nice little rack, got you some towels, nice size shower, and I love the tile. And then you have your toilet alcove, you got that. I do really like the modern vibe of this. It's very like 60s, and I appreciate that. And here you have your room. You've got 2 queens. They're nice, they're good, lots of pillows. Even if you wanted to shove someone on the couch, there are so many outlets here. There's an outlet there, both with electrical plug and USB. There's an electrical outlet just behind Steven on that wall. There is the AC control, which it does feel cool here. And I can't tell if that's because of the AC or because of the temperature outside. But then there is this whole beefy, chunky, extra thing with 3 outlets, 2 USB. So perfect for that giant group of people that you're all gonna shove in here and you all need to plug in their phones. And then you have this really cool hangout area that I like too. Huge couch, lots of room. Check out the T-Mobile Arena, that's our view. But also you can see the roller coaster from New York, and the lovely castle. And then if you were to scoot this way, the oft not appreciated view in Vegas of the mountains. If you are a Florida native like us, you don't really get to see mountains much outside of like sand dunes. So I really like that. I also love how they have these cool light features. So it's like the old school where it's on the wall with these wires that show. It goes up and around. Really cool. Sit here, play cards on your own, don't lose any money, unless your friends are really mean. Another outlet. And this isn't like a typical, really far outset table, but it's enough to put your phone on. We don't have any food, so I just kind of want to push it and see what happens if it starts charging us like 10 cents.
No snacks to buy, no fridge. It's a very open concept. Like, I like that this room is big because you can walk in and you have a lot of room. Like, they didn't cram a bunch of like furniture.
They did it, yeah. And the TV looks good. This is even more space in this cubby hole. So I really gotta say this is great.
Look at this risque photo above you.
You can see her butt.
She is not wearing pants.
She's not wearing pants.
I don't know if I'm getting a good shot of that or not. Probably not.
This is her butt area.
Yeah, there's a lot of glare. You have to rent the room to see it in full detail.
Oh,
but
teaser.
Just know it exists.
Teaser, there's a butt there. And that's the Park MGM double queen standard room, which I don't think you can get any better.
Let's go watch the Bucks now.
Go Bucks!